Hey guys, this morning I'm making Weetbix slice. It's a Kiwi kid's favourite. So I'm using these Weetbix by Sanitarium. The Weetbix in the UK is quite a bit different. I'm not sure it would work with UK Weetbix, but you can give it a go. So the first step is to crush 3 Weetbix. The recipe says to use desiccated coconut, but I don't have any. I've only got shredded coconut, so I'm just going to go with that. 1 cup of white flour. 3/4 cup of sugar. 1/4 cup of cocoa powder. Teaspoon of baking powder. You can add raisins and nuts at this point just to give it a little bit more texture. I haven't got any nuts, but I've got raisins in the pantry, so I'm going to add some raisins now. It's quite a lot of butter that goes into this, 180 grams of butter. So I've melted the butter in the microwave and I'm just adding vanilla essence to it, a little drop, and then you just mix all the dry ingredients up in the bowl. And then add the butter. The dollar value of the butter content in these is probably approaching $4. The cost of butter in New Zealand at the minute is just crazy. It's about $9 for 500 grams of butter. Insane. The mixture then gets put in a small baking tray and just pressed down. All done, and then we're going to put it in the oven. So it goes into the oven at 180 degrees for 15 minutes. So now I'm just making the icing that goes on top of the Weetbix slice. It's just got icing sugar, dash of vanilla, a little bit of butter and some water. Oh, and it's chocolate icing, so of course we can't forget the cocoa powder, can we? Okay, so now it's out of the oven and I've mixed up the icing, so we're just gonna spoon it on. And there it is, Weetbix slice, everybody's favourite. Thanks for watching, everybody. Please hit the subscribe button for more videos like this, and I'll see you next time. Bye.